Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing how to create your passport. Okay, so you're going to be creating a passport booklet which has a front and a back cover. I've done mine with burgundy and gold, and then it's going to have all the pages inside the passport like these. And then inside this booklet there's like a secret compartment, and you can open it up and you might want to decorate this, or you could write a letter of where you've been in the world, or you can imagine where you want to go. This is like a secret kind of pocket. And then the way that you fold the passport is the way that you make it into this little booklet. I'm going to take you through some slides first. So we're going to do book art today. And today you're going to make a passport from one piece of A2 paper, and you're going to design your own passport then. You're going to design what colour you want your passport to be, and then you're going to select and draw different stamps like the ones that are on the screen for various European countries you're either going to visit or ones that you have visited. So the success criteria is by the end of this lesson, you will have designed and coloured your own passport and learned about different countries in Europe. This is a map of Europe. So this is a list of European countries in 2024. So I think there's over 55, and Vatican City is one of them. Let's look at book art. So today we're going to create a book, and you can see here lots of different artists use books as forms of art. And when I went to university, when I was doing my master's, I based my last 2 years as a student working on artist books, and I made books about my grandmother who had passed away. And these were like family heirlooms to help other children in the family who never got to meet my grandmother, to share with her what kind of a lady she was. So the books were full of wisdom and teachings that she taught me. So artist books take many different forms. I had books within books and doorways and corridors, so they were like a house almost, letting you peep into the life I had with my grandmother. These are other artist books that you can see here. So now let's start to make our passport book. So you will create, as I said, a passport book from one sheet of A2 paper, which you will fold into half and then glue down the 2 A4 pre-printed pages that I have arranged for you. Your teacher will have to print them out. You will have 2 A4 pages, and you must glue down the 2 A4 pages in the same location as this onto your A2 page. So please note that the My Passport has to be at the top left-hand section, and it's facing away from you. That's the way you glue it down on the left. So one A4 page goes on the left, and then the other A4 page goes on the right. And then the second page glued down, you'll notice that the words are beside each other, and then the stamps are at the right-hand side, top and bottom. So make sure that you have the stamps with the aeroplane motif upside down on your top right hand corner. That's the way you have to position your page, because if you don't position your pages this way, then whenever you go to make your actual passport, it won't read properly, it won't look right. So now it's time to take your scissors and cut the slit into the passport, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You have your sheet like this. So what I want you to do is to fold your passport in half long ways if you haven't done this, and then fold it in half again, and then fold it in half again. So you have all these little sections. So I'll go through that again. So you have this big sheet, and you have your passport, and you have your countries and your stamps. Okay, so what I need you to do is fold your passport down so it's half, then fold it in half again, and make sure that you're getting your corners so that they're all matching, and then you're going to fold it in half again. Then I want you to open up your passport, okay, and we need to cut between the world traveller and your European destinations. So if I was you, I would just take these sections, fold them over because we don't need them. Okay, we don't need this side, we don't need that side. We're cutting along the middle. And then I would poke my scissors in there and cut a slit the whole way up between the two middle sections. So it kind of is like that. So that you can see a wee bit of my paper hanging over there. You can tidy that up. It's just a matter of cutting that. So you're cutting these two middle sections. Then you need to fold it. And you're going to then have your passport that way at the front. Then you need to take your side sections like this. And then you need to bring them in. So you can see what I'm doing there. I'm bringing in my section. So you have it. So it's like that in the middle. And then you're pushing your sections in. So the back should be here and the front should be like that. Okay. And then you need to fold in all of your sections. So I'm going to take this page, which is near the back, and I'm going to fold it in like so. And then I'm going to fold this one in. So you have to be quite firm with it and then fold that one in. And then you have your passport booklet. So you've got your passport, your front cover, your back cover. You have your identification. You put a photograph of yourself in there and explain all your name, your date of birth, place of birth, nationality. Then you've got your world traveler. You could even colour in all the places that you have been, or if you haven't been anywhere, don't worry. You can colour in where you want to go. I didn't fly until I was 18. So I didn't fly until I was 18, until I went to university and we went to London, and that was the first time I ever got away in an airplane. Then that's all your European countries, your stamps and your other stamps. So you can then colour in your passport. So I opted for a burgundy colour. I also got a gold ink pen. If you don't have that, that's okay. So I coloured in my passport a burgundy colour. I did my background gold, and then I just painted in all of the section blue, because when I looked at my passport, that's the way it was. So I hope you enjoy making your passport and making it at your own. And then, as I said, you have the secret sort of compartment inside. You could decorate that whatever way you want. You could have different countries. You could have landscapes of different countries painted in there. You could write a letter to somebody who lives in the country that you want to go to. Remember how you fold your passport again as well. You've got that section that kind of goes like that. So you are making sure to fold these sections in the way. And then that's how you get your passport. Okay, I'm not going to go through how you paint that. It's quite self-explanatory. It's your colour. You pick the colour for the background of your passport. You decorate it, and then you paint it. And you can do it whatever way you want. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and enjoy making your lovely passport.